ashasi de ye shasi enije mu pa eye efua edronum a wo de singaton beto fo ma afedie obia yi ni teacher se wo skills a anaso wono so wo talent e wo Ghana ha wo mo nyina pe eye abotire ba ko pe efri eye Guinness World Record wo e ho na eye abotire ni befiaba entu hwa efo adronu fi ho no ye bi mu toto so kisaton singaton wokaton ne tonton no de edoso ana so se wo hwe Cookathon abianofo no de eye failure wo tamale ono a ogina ye Emma eye Guinness World Record no wogina esanka wo begina ne nanso anu aduane enna bako ensin osede na chese hours ne doso pa abawe ye bi kura kan wo nenso wanya eye bibia emfi eye Guinness Record wa wo gu anim a wo twen se bibi befi aba sanso na eye Chef Smith nso be yi ni ti se ono so eye Cookathon na chese wo ma eye tonton nyina bibia nhyedan fi eye Guinness Record wo emma se wo na wafa na se wo na wafa meyi eye base wo Nigeria wo no wo mode eye we ni man se aduane wo no ai no wadi nkunum ama mo de abasobode no eman ba Ghana de for now no wo ma mo gina ye nyina ye nya ehun bibia mfe eye Guinness for wo ye Chef Smith so no ankasa ne manager ehye kukuo mu print ne ma de babontin se senia obia ye kokokonya wo mo na Guinness for afro makaso mo de eye abasobode no edi amom ankrofo wa Ghana for mo congratulations ya de we na ankrofo se de bi ade we de wo se ehweme na e wo so mo de message e wo eko eye Guinness for wo information ba che se de bi dem se Smith ankasa ne manager no omabo mu tirim a ofre eye press conference kire se wo no na afa no na police for epie mu ho ekofa na wone ne manager edimu enchiremu aba mayenti enchiremu no embrasesia.
Were you released yesterday or this morning?
Oh, this morning. This morning at 3 a.m.
Okay, so you were kept at the police in the police custody for the whole evening and the night as well.
Yeah.
Wow. And what are the charges, if I may ask?
No charge. So maybe you can ask the police what is a crime or what is the charge. So there's no charge, to our best of our knowledge. Why did you detain us in the first place? No charge, because they admitted we have not committed any crime. So if there is any misunderstanding, it should be a civil case that we can sit down and talk if there is some understanding. But they admitted themselves that there's no crime issue here. So why do you want to detain us?
So you claim it's an unlawful arrest?
Yeah.
Are you claiming that it's an unlawful arrest?
Well, I don't want to go into that. I mean, for us, we are focused. If you ask me, my focus here is the good news that Millennium Chef Smith is a new record holder and all that. I'm focused on that, not these things. I know it is meant to distract and all that. So we are forging ahead.
Well, according to a letter that we have here, that is our media journalist Kwame Dazi wrote to GWR to ascertain how valid your GWR record title is. And the message says, "Hi, thank you for your message. No, this is not true. He does not hold the GWR title. This is not our certificate. The current and true record holder is for the longest cooking marathon by an individual is 119 hours, 59 minutes and 16 seconds. It's achieved by Alan Fisher of Ireland." According to GWR, they say that your certificate or your claim is false.
Are you alleging or you are speaking on authority that Guinness World Record is saying that?
On authority, this is official email that we have from GWR.
When as at today?
Yes, as at this morning, 8:53 a.m.
So you are confirming that?
Yes, I can confirm that for you.
Well, I'm not privy to that. For what we know, the same Guinness World Record that sent us email and all that, I can share those emails with you if you want. And for them to deny if what we have shared or what we have put out there is not true, I mean, that is that. As simple as that. We know the same people have sent to us. So if you are saying you can confirm, well...
Because I'm reading the email right now. I'm reading the official email from GWR right now.
Okay.
Can you share yours with us?
Why not? I've shared with a lot of networks, so I can share mine with you if you want.
Okay, so if it comes out, I mean, as it stands now, officials from GWR, the same email and the same person who replied to us with respect to Efua Singathon is the same person who is replying to this one. So if it comes out that is your claim is false, what would be your reaction to this whole situation?
Well, you're saying that if it's fine, let's get there, then we'll cross.
Let's get there, then we'll cross there.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks a lot for joining us this morning. How is Chef doing?
By the God's grace, he's doing well.
So, the two of you, you've been released from the police custody, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot for joining us this morning, Benny.
Welcome.
If I'm right, the main reason why you interrupted the press conference is that you wanted to be in the know that, or you wanted to be rest assured that the GWR, the Guinness World Record certificate that is going to be on display is actually original and authentic.
Exactly.
Okay, so
that was all our concern.
Okay.
Because as I told you, right after the Cookathon, I mean, engaging Chef Smith and his team was so difficult. They hardly pick up our calls. We keep asking about updates upon updates. We keep asking the management whether they didn't upload the contents on the GWR website. What are the response? Nothing was coming from them. So we were in the dark. We don't know what was happening until yesterday when we saw the flyer advertising that it's going to have a press conference. And of course, our brand is associated to the Cookathon. So if you are going to do anything, as far as our brand is concerned, we need to know. So the whole point of getting there was just to understand and for him to confirm to us that indeed it's GWR who has confirmed him as the new holder of the Cookathon. That was all.
Okay.
So when the back and forth was going on and we realized that they were not coming forth and talking to us and they were still going on with a press conference, Chef Smith himself didn't even come out to even speak to us. We said no. I mean, there was something I missed at this point in time. So we placed a call to the police to come in, to at least intervene, hold the press conference, have the dialogue first. Let's understand. Let's see some form of evidence from GWR. And then we can even proceed. Now we can even join you to do the press conference together.
Okay, so it's not the case that is being put out there. It's not a rumor that's circulating that it's an alleged case of fraud.
Nobody has been accused him of any fraud. Nobody. What has he fraud? He hasn't fraud anybody. All we are asking, or the reason why we went there was just to ascertain the validity or the veracity of what he's claiming that he has gotten from GWR. As simple as that. Okay,
Niso, confirm or debunk some of these rumors for us this morning. First rumor circulating on social media is that Amadia Shopping Center is part of the management team of Chef Smith, the Millennium Chef. And as a matter of that, you guys have equal access to the GWR email that should, or as it is, had the certificate being sent to?
No, we do not have access to any email. I mean, we are just sponsors. We partnered him to do the Cookathon. That's what we did.
Mr. Smith or yaye yaye shushuanim. Eduma ye onkon na oye. Enye onkon na de na onkon akoshe kon na baby send. Enim guase na ye abeyo. Ye be hwehwem ye update bia ye de be twintwa makra.